Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to another vlog. Here I am showing you different kind of fish curry and spring rolls. For spring rolls I have taken here beetroot, carrot, potato, all threes I have grated, this fenugreek leaves and just small tomato, finely chopped onion, and this is boiled meat. You can add in place of chicken too. I have chopped the onion by this blender. I have grated all three veggies by this grater. Now heat the oil in kadai or in pan and add all the grated veggies and chopped onion, tomato in this. No need to add the water in it. We can make 15 to 20 spring rolls out of this masala. Add the salt as per the taste. And red chili powder according to your taste. In place of it you can add red chili flakes too. Till this cook, I'm preparing fish curry. This is kind of different curry here. For masala, coriander, onion, garlic, and this onion for tadka, tomato and coconut, and tamarind juice or pulp. I have soaked the tamarind here. Now take cumin seed according to your curry, and then fenugreek seed just little bit. Now grind it into a smooth paste. In my last video I made the fish curry by adding coconut milk, but here I am adding here coconut. For spring rolls the masala get done, it must be dry. There should not be water consistency in this. For this masala I am adding red chili powder as per your taste, then salt, then tamarind juice, and add the water according to your consistency. Next process is giving tadka to curry. Heat the oil and add the onion. After it turns into brown color, add 1 spoon red chili powder, and then suddenly you have to reduce the flame. Then add curry to it. After well boiled, add the fish. If there is a big head in the fish, you need to add first then. It doesn't take more time to cook. Just after adding the fish, you have to switch off the flame. And this is an all-purpose flour for the spring rolls. Make small balls out of this dough and roll it. After 5 to 6 rotis, you have to place the roti one by one by dusting the flour on it, and then again you need to roll it. Now heat the tawa and place your roti on this. There is no need of baking the roti as we do for other rotis. It just needs to heat up the both side of the roti, then switch off the flame. Now get the separate roti one by one. This is the main task of it. Now do the separate roti one by one. It can easily come out. This is kind of mixture I have made by the adding water and all-purpose flour. This kind of glue we can call. Now place the masala in center and fold as I am showing here. And apply that mixture all corner of the roti. It helps not to open the spring rolls. It's better to apply by finger only. Now do first fold and next both side of the folding. And fold as it is to next. Now this is done. Same process followed here as before. Here thing to care is applying that mixture is kind of glue correctly, otherwise it gets open. Don't make mixture in water consistency. I have shown you this much only need. Here my son showing his sister how to make roti. Actually the roti is not moving around, he is only moving. Now time to fry it. It's depend on you whether you do shallow fry or deep fry. Here I am shallow frying it. This is for iftari. I always used to drop all the fruits in water before it cuts. Now do the fry in both sides. I must say it comes very tasty and delicious and crispy as well. You can have this with chutney or ketchup. That's for all today. I hope you like it and subscribe my channel. Khuda Hafiz.